August 2nd and 3rd, 2025. Machakos People's Park. 2 days of pure adrenaline, skill, and resilience. This is RX Motorsport in its rawest form, and UmojaRacing was right at the heart of it.
The weekend began with anticipation. Engines roared to life, dust filled the air, and fans lined the track to witness speed and skill collide. Every driver had a story to write, and for UmojaRacing, this one would be unforgettable. But before a single wheel touched the track, there was one crucial step: scrutineering. At the Goen Institute, every car and every driver had to be cleared. Suits inspected for fire safety, helmets checked, roll cages examined, extinguishers verified. It's the unseen side of motorsport, but one that makes racing possible. Only when safety was assured could the battle truly begin. Day one began with power. Mr. Githengi and Atlas, his two-wheel drive on steroids, showed consistency and control, delivering heat after heat with confidence. The perfect start for UmojaRacing.
Darling, you and I. Barely scratching the surface. This obsession of mine is fueling the furnace. I'm up all night and we're intertwined. Darling,
And it wasn't just the big names. The kids took to the track, showing us the future of motorsport. Fearless, fast, and already chasing dreams.
I'm not your fam.
Then came Mr. Clement, ready to leave his mark. But motorsport is unpredictable. After Heat 1, an incident forced him to step back. For many, that would have been the end of the weekend. But Clement's story wasn't over. Instead of disappointment, there was determination. The team regrouped, fixed what needed fixing, and prepared for a stronger tomorrow. Because in racing, setbacks are only setups for comebacks. As the sun set on day one, the atmosphere was electric. Stories of speed, challenges, and lessons carried into the night. But everyone knew the real showdown awaited on day two. Day two arrived with fresh energy. The air was filled with dust, engines, and anticipation. Drivers returned with renewed focus. This was the day to prove themselves, to make up for lost time, and to fight for the podium. The battles were tighter, the risks greater, and the roar of the crowd louder. This was Rallycross at its best. For Mr. Clement, day 2 was redemption. He climbed back into the car with fire in his eyes, each lap sharper than the last.
What it mean to be the best? Riding folks, feeling unimpressed. Make me reminisce, throwing bows, bend the corner, set my mind up on the goal. All I know is stay down, bad, I'm the GOAT. Okay, feel like the best, the great. Now there ain't no debate. Yeah. Okay, feel like the best, the great. Now there ain't no debate. Yeah. I ain't gotta say much. Know the boy got a touch. Another win for the rush. Another win for the rush. See me once and got a crush. See you twice and that's enough. Get the ring sized up, and that's for the championship. Yeah, I dropped in, feeling like I need a top 10. Clean sweep, get the mopped in. No roof, yeah, I hopped in. Champagne spraying, popped in. Paramedics on the speed dial. Turn the party to a mosh pit. Locked in. Supreme confidence, can't do broken promises. You can't talk the way I talk when you ain't got no accomplishments.
By the end, he had fought his way through the field, finishing strong on the podium with an incredible second place. From setback to triumph, Clement showed what true resilience looks like.
And just when the weekend seemed complete, the crowd was treated to a surprise, a fun race. It was here that Mr. John returned to the track.
John, I think you are going too far, but hey, who's counting? You decided to take the longer route?
Though he hadn't raced in a while, his skills were undeniable. Smooth, sharp, and fearless, John reminded everyone that racing is a craft you never truly lose. Machakos 2025 wasn't just another motorsport event. It was a celebration of grit, community, and passion for racing. From Githengi's steady dominance to the kids' fearless spirit, Clement's unforgettable comeback, and John's surprise return, every moment told a story. And this is only the beginning. The engines may have cooled, but the spirit of rallycross burns on.